In this video, I will show you how to download Blender 3D for Windows 10. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. This tutorial should be quite easy to follow, but if you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop them down in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So with that being said, let's jump into the tutorial. And as you can see, I'm currently on the Blender official website. Now, the official website is blender.org. So what you want to do is come across to that website, or you can just go across to Google and type Blender into the Google search. So from here, what you want to do is just come up to the top and you've got some options available. All you want to do is click on to download at the top and you're going to see the downloader is available. Now, because I'm using Windows, it's got the Windows installer there by default. But if you want to look for a different version, say you're using, for example, like a Mac or Linux, then if you look just underneath, you're going to see this drop down box. So what you can do is click onto that and what you're going to see is all the available versions. So you've got Windows here, you've got Mac OS, Linux, Steam and a source code. So the actual program size is only 277 megabytes. It's actually a very small program. So what you want to do is click the download button like this. And what it's going to do, this might be different for you, but at the moment they're asking you if you want to support the Blender development. So you can join the development fund for only $6 a month, and this just helps support Blender. But this is completely optional, you don't have to do this. So what it's going to do is start downloading. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll see the download up here is going to start downloading. But if you don't have Google Chrome, then just come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto the search box and then go ahead and type downloads into here. And if you open up your downloads folder, once that's finished downloading, you'll be able to open Blender from there. So that's now finished downloading, as you can see. So all you want to do once it's finished is of course click on it to start running the installation wizard. So as you can see, I'm back on my desktop and I've got the installation wizard open. So we're just going to go through and install this now. So all you want to do is click next, accept the terms of the license agreement, and you can read through this if you want to, and then go ahead and click next. And then again, you can just click next. If you want to change the program location, so you can choose to install this to an external hard drive if you want to, just go ahead and click the browse button and select your hard drive. And then what you can do is click next and then click install, and this is just going to run through and install the program. Now, as you can see, I currently don't have enough available disk space on my PC. So you do want to make sure you've got enough space on your PC before you can go ahead and install this program. But what you would do is just run through install Blender, and that's going to install it ready to use. So I'm going to come out of this for now, and once you've installed Blender, just come down to the search box down here again and go ahead and type Blender. And what you're going to be able to do, this is actually going to come up under Best Match. Of course, as I say, I've not installed it, but you're going to get the actual app come up underneath Best Match. And you can click on that and start using Blender straight away. So I hope this video helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it. If you was to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. For that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.